Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 5 minus 1 times of 5 minus 1 is equals to what? We write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So here first we discuss the common mistakes which students can do in the exams. Students just solve this problem in this way. 5 minus 1 becomes 4 times 5 minus 1 becomes 4, and he just get the answer of 4 times 4 becomes 16. But this is the wrong answer. It is the wrong answer, or it is the wrong method or wrong steps to solve this problem. Here we discuss the steps and how you can solve this type of algebraic expressions. Okay, so here in this type, in order to solve this type of expressions, you remember the PEMDAS rule. Okay, here I can just explain the PEMDAS rule. Here you know that here P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So you remember the order of these operations from left side to right side. It means that we gives the first priority to the parentheses, and we gives the second priority to the exponent. We gives the third priority to the multiplication and division. Here you see that multiply and division have the equal priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction also have the equal priority. It means that you can solve multiply or division as you want. Okay, so here we first copy down given question statement here, and we solve this problem in correct way. So the correct way is that here first you see that we have two operations, negative and parentheses. So first we can solve the parentheses values, and we write the remaining terms as it is. This is 5 minus 1 times, here 5 minus 1 becomes 4. And now you see that we have two operations, multiply and subtraction, and here we gives the first priority to multiplication. Okay, it means that we first solve the multiplication terms, and we have 5 minus 1 times 4 becomes here 4. And now we just subtract these two values. 5 minus 4 becomes here 1. So this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.